Yeah, okay. So what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bosh, and yeah, back again with new video. Yeah, trade recap. Today I passed a 50K top step combine in literally one trade. So I passed. So I traded yesterday. I made 1500, and today I pretty much, I do the same thing, and I passed today. And yeah, I made 1500 again today, and that led me to passing my account in 2 days. So hopefully I get to start trading from next week. And yeah, pretty much very, very good. I, passed a 250K evaluation on Apex on the last 2 days. And today, again, I'm funded 100K with Topstep. So I'm pretty much funded 600K in total capital. Very, very good. I'll try to keep it as much as I can. And hopefully I just keep, hopefully I get paid out from these accounts. And yeah, let's get into the trades I took today that made me pass my top step account. So yeah, as you can see, I'm on the daily chart right here. Got a daily CB right here. So we've pretty much break slower the whole, after the whole trend. So price has been going back up. So we'll refill this daily CB right here after taking out buy side liquidity right at this level. So we traded high. I was thinking, oh, is it gonna close and pretty much go back to all time highs, or is he going to respect this bearish PD array and then trade down, to take out any sell side liquidity resting below? So, so I was bearish for the day. I was looking for sells. So yeah, obviously, if you're looking for sells, you want to wait for a manipulation, some sort of manipulation during 9:30 to, kind of, to kind of trade into your like your daily bias for the day. So you want to wait for a manipulation, and then you go for the opposite direction, whichever way way you want to go, either bearish or bullish. So yeah, like I said, bearish for the day. So, daily CB right here. Price is respecting the daily CB will break lower. So on this candle, that was my thought process. Is price gonna fade back up to close on this gap, or this is pretty much a bearish order flow? So yeah, I'll go to the 15-minute chart and show you what I did. So yeah, my my thought process before coming into the market, pretty much we've had a V shape recovery. So we pretty much trade highs, and then from there, price took out Asia high from Thursday and breaks lower, invest 15 minutes gap here. And my target was sell side resting below. So currently, market open somewhere right here, and we consolidate for the midnight, and then pretty much today, we kind of chart before price keep start breaking lower. If I go to the 1 minute chart and show you my entry again, very very super good today. Price was kind of was very very tricky, but at the same time it was clean to the fact that you can look for some entries and trade some 20 points, some scalps. So yeah, so but just before market open, 8 o'clock in the morning, Trump had some tweets and market just breaks lower. So my first thought process was, are we gonna rebalance this CB right here, and then from there, pretty much trade back lower to the downside. So my target was sell side resting below. You know, market was market is currently breaking lower right now. So all of these hasn't even happened before I even passed my account. So yeah, I was looking at the CB right here. We traded down and then we rebalance once again. So I was thinking, okay, is price gonna trade lower from here? But market hasn't opened, so I have to wait. So we tap it and then pretty much break lower from there. I put in our first presented gap right here. So that's my first presented gap for the day. If I'm not mistaken. So we put in first presented gap there. We rebalance and then breaks lower. So I was thinking, is price going to take out sell side, and pretty much I'll look for a reversal pattern like a IOVG to the upside or changing the state to take out any resting buy side. So We didn't get the sweep. That was 2 points away from sweeping. I would have taken it, but I just have to stick to my rules because if I did take it and then maybe price just rebalance this sell side imbalance, yeah, and then breaks lower to stop me out, I would have been like, oh yeah, and that was a dumb trade for me. We should have waited for price to sweep. So these are some cases where you're like, oh, this is what I should have done better. This is what I should have done. But yeah, do what it is. We get the close and try just trade out. So same again. I was looking at this buy side right here. My target was still if price is going to rebalance the CB, we have to break lower. So yeah, we rebalance this CB right here again. So pretty much price was chopping, chopping, chopping. So we came into macro right here, 1050 macro. I was like, okay, I need to see some displacement, some sort of displacement to the downside. So we've taken out buy side, yeah. I'll mark it real quick. So we've taken out buy side there. Buy side liquidity got taken. What do you want to see? A reversal pattern. So the momentum was bad. Was chopping around. So I saw this big gap right here. We inverse it immediately, and pretty much price was chopping, respecting this gap. I was like, okay, I need to see some sort of displacement again because this gap, right, this bullish gap was holding the whole time. So that was the whole reason for price just chopping around. So we came again, we tapped into this IAVG. So and then from there we break lower, consolidate. So I got my entry right on this candle, right? Got my entry right, yeah. So I was risking 20 points or 25 points, whatever you call it. So I was just basically risking 1 to 1, but I was risking a lot. So I just had to pass in one trade. So yeah. Again, got my entry right, yeah. Start this consolidate back and forth right, yeah. We pretty much respecting this fair value gap right here. We break lower, made another fair value gap, respecting it, and then I got my entry right on this candle. So my stop at the high, uh, and again, yeah, price just break lower. I got out real quick. So soon as price make a new low after this, retracement, we made a new low. I got out right here and I passed my account. So pretty much very, very good for me today. Good analysis. I knew this CB was gonna hold the whole day, so I was just being patient enough. So this was my trade I took for the day. I passed my first step 50K combine, and hopefully I get to start trading from next week. And yeah, hopefully you know, mm, I'll keep doing the same thing I've been doing. Make some profit on the account, and from there I can try request some payouts. So yeah, super super good for me today. Again, I passed 250K account, 250K Apex evaluation on Thursday. Past two of it. So in total I'm funded 600K in capital. So very very good. I try to keep those accounts for like a month and see how I can how my performance is gonna be for those accounts. Yeah, that was what I did for today. I'll show you my P&L on Topstep, and I'll show you that I passed this account literally. So yeah, so you can see right. This is my Topstep X dashboard. So two accounts, 50K, 50K. Passing one trade, show you my performance for 46% win rate. I don't know why that is 46%, because because I was taking partials. Yeah, so this was it. Uh First day 1500, second day 1500. So pretty much good for me. I'm done for the week. Uh Hopefully I get to start again next week. So yeah, that was what I did for today. Again, super super good for me. Very very, very very good. I was patient enough. I stuck to my rules, and yeah, it paid off. I passed this account, and hopefully I start again from next week. Yeah. If you like this video, find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Really, really appreciate you guys for turning up, watching my videos every single day. And yeah, see you later. See you from next week. Have a good weekend. If you have a girlfriend, take out, maybe go have some dinner with your girlfriend, refresh your brain, and we start again next week. Yeah, see you later, Bosh. Bang, bang.